Hi, everyone, and welcome back to the Beginner English Room.
I'm Jack.
And she's Sarah. And today, oh man, today is a big one.
We're going to teach you something that most English learners get completely wrong.
Even intermediate learners, even advanced learners.
2 words, looks and seems.
You probably think they mean the same thing.
Most people do, but native speakers, we use them very differently.
And today, we're going to show you exactly how.
Through a real story, a real conversation, real English.
Stay with us, because this video will change how you speak forever.
Okay, ready? Let's go.
Quick question. Stop and think.
Imagine this. You meet someone new,
They're smiling, they're polite, they seem friendly.
but something feels off.
You can't explain it, you just feel it.
So what do you say? He looks strange or he seems strange.
Which one is right? Which one do native speakers say?
If you don't know, this video is for you.
And trust me, the answer will surprise you. Keep watching.
Here's the truth about looks and seems.
In school, teachers say they're the same.
They're not.
Native speakers feel the difference every single time.
And when you use the wrong one,
You sound a little off.
not wrong, but not natural.
And you want to sound natural, right?
Of course you do. That's why you're here.
So today, we're going to teach you the real difference.
With a story, with conversations, with practice.
No boring grammar, no textbook rules.
Just real English, the way we actually speak it.
And by the end, you'll never confuse these 2 words again.
Promise.
Okay, let us tell you a story.
A real story. A Monday morning story.
2 friends, Mia and Leo.
Mia is an English learner. Smart, hardworking, just like you.
Leo is her colleague, a native English speaker.
They work at the same office.
It's Monday morning, 8:30 a.m.
Mia walks in, she gets her coffee,
Then she sees Leo standing near the window.
and something is different.
His eyes are red. His face is pale.
He's holding his phone very tightly.
He didn't say good morning.
Leo always says good morning,
Mia looks at him carefully.
and she knows something is wrong.
So, Mia walks over to him slowly.
She looks at his face,
She looks at his eyes, his body, his hands.
and she says,
Leo, you look tired. Are you okay?
"Did you hear that? You look tired."
Not, you seem tired. She said, you look tired.
Why? Because she can see it.
His red eyes, his pale face, his slow movements.
She is using her eyes, visual information. That's the first rule of today.
Looks equals what your eyes can see.
Physical, visual, right in front of you.
Simple. Say it with me.
Looks equals eyes.
Let's practice. Repeat after me.
You look tired. Say it. You look tired.
This food looks delicious. This food looks delicious.
That car looks expensive. That car looks expensive.
Good. Every time you can see it.
The tired face, the delicious food, the expensive car.
All visual, all physical, all in front of your eyes.
Okay, back to Mia and Leo.
Leo hears Mia. He turns slowly.
He gives a small, sad smile. "Yeah, I didn't sleep well." That's all he says.
And then he goes quiet. He looks back at his phone.
Mia watches him for a moment.
His hands are shaking a little.
He checks his phone every 30 seconds.
He hasn't touched his coffee.
And Mia, she feels something.
Not just sees, feels. Something is wrong. Something deeper. Something he's not saying.
And so this time, she says something different.
Leo, it seems like something is really bothering you.
Do you want to talk about it?
Did you catch that? She didn't say it looks like.
She said it seems like.
Why? Because this time it's not visual.
She's not just using her eyes.
She's using her feeling, her instinct, her heart.
That's the second rule of today.
Seems is what you feel, what you sense.
Not just what you see with your eyes.
Something deeper, something inside.
An impression, a gut feeling.
Think of it like this.
Looks equals eyes. Seems equals heart.
Let's practice. Repeat after me.
Something seems wrong. Something seems wrong.
She seems upset. She seems upset.
It seems like he's hiding something. It seems like he's hiding something.
Good. Now, can you feel it? You can't see that something is wrong. You can't see that she's upset inside.
You feel it. You sense it.
That's seems.
Okay. Are you ready for the twist?
I told you this story had a twist.
3 days later, Friday morning,
Mia walks into the office
and she stops.
because Leo is standing there, completely different.
He's smiling. He's laughing.
His eyes are bright. His face is warm.
He's holding 2 coffees, one for him, one for Mia.
Mia walks over. She's confused but happy.
And she says,
Leo, you look so much better. What happened?
she said, look again. Why? Because she can see the change, physically, visually.
His face, his eyes, his energy, all visible.
And Leo smiles and says,
The doctor called. It seems like my dad is going to be okay.
it seems like. Not 100% sure yet, but hopeful.
A feeling, an impression. Good news, but not certain yet.
So, it seems like was the perfect word.
And then Mia says, Leo, you look like a new person today.
Look like a new person. She can see the difference, visual.
And Leo smiles and says, It seems like talking to you the other day really helped.
It seems like talking helped, not visual, an emotional feeling, a reflection.
Long pause.
Beautiful, right?
Every looks and seems in that story was used perfectly.
Naturally, like a native speaker.
And now you can do the same.
Okay, time to practice with real conversations.
Listen carefully. Notice every looks and seems.
Then we'll repeat together.
Excuse me, this soup looks cold.
Oh, I'm sorry. Let me check.
And it seems like something is missing. Maybe salt?
I'll have the chef fix it right away.
Looks cold, you can see no steam. Visual.
It seems like something is missing. You're tasting, sensing, deeper.
Now repeat. This soup looks cold.
It seems like something is missing. Jack, as manager. Sarah, this report looks really professional.
Thank you, but something seems off on the last page.
It seems like the font is too small?
Yes, now that I look again, it looks too small. You're right.
Looks professional. You can see the document. Visual.
Seems off, a feeling, instinct, not just eyes.
Looks too small. Once you see it, it becomes visual.
Repeat. This report looks really professional.
Something seems off.
Sarah, have you met the new neighbor?
Not yet, but I saw him this morning. He looks really friendly.
I spoke to him yesterday. He seems like a very honest person.
Oh, nice. It seems like we're going to like him.
Looks friendly. She saw his face and smile. Visual.
It seems honest. He felt it in the conversation, not visual.
Seems like we're like him. A prediction. A feeling.
Repeat. He looks really friendly.
He seems like an honest person.
It seems like we're going to like him. Okay, let's talk about mistakes so you can avoid them.
Mistake number 1.
Saying you seem beautiful when you mean you look beautiful.
Oh, yes. This is so common.
If someone is beautiful, you can see it, right?
So you say you look beautiful.
Not you seem beautiful. That sounds like you're guessing.
Like maybe you're beautiful. I'm not sure. Let me think about it. Not a good compliment.
Mistake number 2.
Saying it looks like a good idea when you haven't seen anything.
If your friend tells you their plan, you haven't seen it.
You've only heard it.
So you say, it seems like a good idea.
You can't see an idea, so you can't say it looks like a good idea.
unless you're looking at a written plan or design.
Context matters, but the rule is still the same.
Eyes equals looks, feeling equals seems.
Mistake number 3.
Using looks for personality.
For example, he looks kind.
This can work if you can see kindness on his face.
But if you've talked to him, if you felt his energy,
You'd say he seems kind because kindness is felt, not always seen.
he looks kind equals his face, his expression, visual. He seems kind equals his words, his energy, his soul.
Big difference. Beautiful difference.
Okay, one level deeper. Are you ready?
Situation. You're on a first date.
The person is attractive, charming, funny.
Version 1. You look amazing tonight.
You can see it. Physical, visual, a compliment about appearance.
Version 2. You seem really amazing.
Deeper, not about appearance, about who they are.
Their energy, their spirit, their personality.
You look amazing equals I see your beauty.
You seem amazing equals I feel your spirit.
Imagine saying that on a date.
That shows you're paying attention to who they really are.
Now that is impressive English.
Okay, let's recap. Say each one out loud with us.
Looks for visual, physical, what your eyes see.
You look tired.
She looks happy.
This dress looks beautiful.
It looks like rain.
He looks like his dad.
Seems for feelings, impressions, what you sense.
Something seems wrong.
She seems upset.
It seems like a good plan.
He seems like an honest person.
It seems that the weather is changing.
One last conversation. This one uses everything.
Listen, then we'll practice.
Hey, look at this hotel I found for our trip. It looks amazing.
Wow, it looks so clean and modern, but it seems expensive. What's the price?
$120 a night. It seems like good value for the area, right?
It seems like a lot to me, but the location looks perfect, right by the beach.
And the reviews seem really positive. Everyone seems happy with the service.
Okay, it looks like a done deal. Let's book it.
You seemed unsure 5 minutes ago.
I know, but now it seems like the right choice. That beach photo got me.
Feel how natural that was?
Looks amazing. Saw the photo, visual.
Seems expensive, judged by feeling, not eyes.
Looks like a done deal, visual confirmation.
Seemed unsure, noticed a feeling inside someone.
That is how native speakers really talk.
Not textbook, not grammar rules, just natural human conversation. You know what I love about Mia and Leo's story?
What?
One word changed everything.
Not looks, but seems.
Because Mia didn't just see Leo,
She felt him. She sensed something deeper.
and that made Leo feel understood.
That is the power of choosing the right word.
Learning English isn't just about grammar.
It's about connection.
It's about making people feel truly seen.
And now you have that power.
Looks for the eyes.
Seems for the heart.
Simple, beautiful, powerful.
Before we go, 3 things, quick.
Number 1, comment below right now.
Write 1 sentence with looks like.
And 1 sentence with seems like.
We read every single comment, every one.
Number 2, share this video with 1 friend learning English.
1 friend, that's it. You could change their English forever.
And number 3, if this video helped you,
Please subscribe. We make videos like this every week. Real conversations, real stories, real English.
no boring grammar, no dry explanations.
Just English that feels real.
We'll see you in the next video.
Take care, everyone.
Bye!